Hey, what's up, Chris? Quick demo video for you for your MPP. This is by 89 Sabers. So just got this done this morning. I got it to the specs that you wanted. I had to print a grip guide. First I had to make a grip guide this afternoon, and then I had to print it so that I can make sure I got these grips on correctly. These are not evenly spaced, as you know from the blueprints that you sent over to me. There's different degrees of angles, I think, in almost each one of these grips, but you will find that these are lined up perfectly. So I hope that you like that. I didn't glue this piece down. What I did was I came in and I put 2 strips of art tape on either side here, and then I slid it into place. It's very tight in there. I did not want to glue that though, just in case you ever wanted to take it off or whatever you want to do. But that art tape is holding it very secure in there. I didn't take this off, as you know. I didn't want to risk damaging your chrome. I know you had that happen before from a previous guy. Things like this, just they're not my specialty. I don't want to end up buying a Saber because I ruined it. So, you know, I left that on, but I talked to you about that. This is a 2-button setup. So you got your activation up here, your auxiliary down here that you wanted, CCSabers LEDs in here. Now these 2 screws, there's one here and there's one here. Those act as your blade retention. So you're gonna wanna tighten both of those down when you're putting your blade in. And I've got a little screwdriver I brought out here so that we can demo this. But to get to everything, we just wanna unscrew the handle. Comes right off. Nice, clean, and simple, right? So here's your chassis. It does say Darth Vader right here in Arabic. I put you a kill key, or I'm sorry, a kill switch in here that you wanted. There's your Proffie board, easy access to your SD card and your micro USB slot. And then I got a Smuggler's Outpost emblem over here. And then it says Solo Sabers over here for me. You've also got a 28mm Smuggler's Outpost speaker in this guy. So let's throw a battery in it. Spring side will be your negative side of your battery right there, okay? Nothing's gonna happen because I got the kill key off. So we'll flip the kill key. Put this in. You do have gesture controls. Nice and loud. There's plenty of room for sound resonance. Auxiliary. Twist off. Just like that. And we'll throw a blade in it. So this guy takes a 1-inch blade. These 89 Sabers are pretty tight, but my blade does fit. Just doesn't like to fit. I'll back these screws up. There we go. I'm not going to tighten these screws down for the sake of this demo because my blade is pretty tight in the socket. But just know that these guys right here are your blade retentions. Okay, so we'll hit activation. Show you again. So you've got battle mode that you wanted. So you hit the Saber, initiates blade lockup until you pull away from it. And then we go to the next sound font with auxiliary.
Kylo Ren.
This is the cross guard sound font that you sent me. Go to the next one.
Teensy.
We'll just cycle through these stock ones, but I did leave all the stock fonts on there for you.
Smooth, smooth. Teensy. Smooth, smooth, smooth.
And the last one will be your battery meter.
Teensy. Smooth Jedi.
Now this is hard.
like that. I don't want to have to cycle through all those, but I might have to.
Reset the chamber for Skywalker.
I forgot to stop at the F1 racer that you gave me.
Kylo Ren. Team
Yeah,
C.
we'll cycle back real quick.
Smooth. Team C. Smooth. Smooth. Team C. Smooth.
Now this is pod racing.
This was the one at F1 racer. So I made this one yellow. This one's pretty loud. Just like that. So you can see everything's working good. Let me take my blade out. You got plenty of blade depth in there. You can see that it goes to about at the very edge of this emitter, right to my knuckle again, right before my knuckle. So about that far, just over an inch. Plenty of blade depth. Yeah, this is one of those simple but classic installs. Tried to make it nice and clean for you. I know that you were having some problems with this before, so hopefully, you know, you sent it over to me, and hopefully I made it to where it's something that you can be proud of. So let me know if you got any questions. If not, I will get this out in the mail to you tomorrow. All right, thanks.